Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Janie. On this channel I talk about stuffed animals, whether it's Build-A-Bear, Squishmallow, sometimes I sprinkle in some Loungefly like today, or skincare and hair care reviews. Today we're talking about a Dumbo Loungefly bag. I'm a huge lover of Loungefly. I've talked about them many times on this channel. I have a whole playlist. I have a collection video that I have to definitely update, but today we're talking about Dumbo. I love Dumbo. I am obsessed with Dumbo. I have a lot of Dumbo bags that I never ended up doing specific reviews for or unboxings. I have no idea why. This was a couple years when the live action movie came out initially. I don't know why. I was going through it, I guess, personally, for me to not have put up those videos. But recently I was on the website and I found this really cute Dumbo bag, and it was actually really cheap, and then it got even cheaper because I got it on a discount. We're gonna do a whole price breakdown, but first let me just show you what it looks like. It is a beautiful like lavender bag with Dumbo and a little tub of water. I think it's absolutely adorable. It is a little bit smaller than I expected. That might be why it's a little bit cheaper. It's a little smaller than their typical mini backpacks, but I love it. I think it's cute. My video is playing in the background. I think it's really cute. It's the perfect color, and I just like this drawing style. I've seen it recently a lot with Disney princesses, and I like that they kind of gave some attention to Dumbo. I feel like Dumbo needs all the love. It's just the cutest, and I like that the straps are a different color than the body of the book bag. These are kind of like a light blue, and I did get the matching wallet, which we're going to discuss in a second. I like the style. It does have a little zippered compartment here. It's not very deep, and it's kind of like a tight fit, so I don't see myself really using it. This also happens to be very like tightly stuffed to give it its shape, but from what I can tell, there is no special lining. It's just a light blue, kind of matching the straps of the actual bag, which is fine. I think it's adorable. I'm really happy I picked it up, and they did have another style that I also picked up, so I will be doing a separate video for that one. It's much thinner, and I can see why it's only $14, but I still like it. Here's the wallet. So here's the wallet. I haven't unwrapped it yet. I absolutely love the shape and the size of these. So Loungefly used to only do like the really long, bulky, kind of like harder wallets, and although I like those because you can carry a lot, nowadays I just like smaller wallets just because it's more practical for me, especially if I'm using like cute Loungefly bags that generally lack space, especially like their novelty ones. But here's the inside. It's just a basic minty blue, matches the straps and the inner lining of the other bag, and you have a little circus ball in the back of it, and in the front is the exact same picture as the actual bag. I love the color. I love the print. I love everything about this. It's super cute. So on the tag, this is $22.90. So I'm gonna pull up my receipt just to see, because I did get it on sale, but sometimes like their sales are weird, so like everything just changes in price on a daily basis. The actual bag itself was $44.90. This is the Dumbo bath bag, and so I'm just gonna pull up the receipt just so we can compare how much it was with shipping and all that. So I did get this at Hot Topic. I don't think I mentioned that earlier. This did take a while to ship. I know USPS and UPS have been having major issues lately. Okay, so the bag was $44.90, but I got it 30% off. There was a 30% off flash sale, so that took away $13.47 from the bag. And then I bought the Passport crossbody bag, which I'm going to do a separate video for, and that was $14.90. And then the wallet was $22.90, but with the discount I got it, they took $6.87 away from it. So grand total was $57.86. Tax was $5.32. Shipping was $2, which is not bad, and my total ended up coming up to $65.21. Not a bad price, especially for Loungefly. I'm so used to Loungeflies just being $65 and up, so the fact that I could get one for a little bit cheaper and get all three from the set just means the world to me. I am so happy about it. I ended up seeing it in person because I went to a box lunch. No, I went to a Hot Topic in, I mean, I did go to a box lunch, but I went to a Hot Topic in the American Dream Mall. My friends took me. It was amazing. So I did see this bag in person, and that's when I realized kind of the difference in size. But Dumbo is my favorite character. I can't watch the movie anymore because it's just so sad to me, and especially the reality that a lot of these animals in real life do face these types of harmful situations in circuses and performing stupid things that are not necessary for people's entertainment. But I never even watched the live action because it's not even a real elephant, but it's still like, it breaks my heart. I'm very sensitive to animal sadness in movies and cruelty. Even if it's stimulated or even if it's not real, I'm very, very sensitive to it. Anyway, that's how I feel about this bag. It's adorable. It's cute. I love Loungefly. I've definitely succeeded in not buying as much as I used to. I used to just buy a lot. That was my first love before these stuffed animals. It was a lot of Loungefly. I think I am going to recheck that video of my collection. I'll link it here because I don't think it was strictly Loungefly. I think I put a little bit of Betsy Johnson, Coach, other brands in there, but I'm gonna redo that with just Loungefly just because I feel like Loungefly deserves its own video. Loungefly has the cutest things and I feel like they get better and better as time goes on. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, on BunnyJanie on both. I do a lot of behind the scenes things of like what's coming up on this channel and my other channel, Bunny Dreams, which I have to get back into. It's a little mini vlogging channel, really a place for my rants. So I will link all relevant links down below. And yeah, stay safe out there. I will see you very soon with another video. I think I already said that. But yeah, until next time, bye.